In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy your KNUST application form online without leaving your house, all by yourself on your smartphone or on your computer. Once we open our web browser, we type in KNUST admissions. And what we are going to see is KNUST admission portal. Then we will click on that. We will have purchase e-voucher and apply. So we click on that. We want to purchase an e-voucher for application. And once we open that, we have this interface where we are going to do our registration to create an account that we use to buy our e-voucher to get the forms. So we use our working email address that can be verified because we are going to verify it. So it has to be a working email address. We type it in correctly as I am doing. We type in your email address. For instance, my own is abigail18@gmail.com. While we have that one in, we also put in our contact. It doesn't have to begin with the 0. So we type in your contact correctly. Then we create a password. The password must include numbers, letters, and then also some other characters like at, $, and the rest. And then you type in your password again to confirm it. After doing that, then you tick the box, I am not a robot. Then you proceed to register. Click on register. Then we are going to be sent an email that you will have to, so you see the email sent, you have to go to our email box. But that's the email address we use. We go into our email box and then we see we have received the email over here. Then scroll down, we verify the email. Once it's verified, we are going to now sign in with the email address we used to register and then the password we just created for the registration. So you type in the email address correctly, and then we also type in our password correctly. You can take the remember me or you can leave that, but then you make sure you take the box I am not a robot. We will continue from there. Then we log in. Once we log in, we are going to have a chance to apply as a Ghanaian applicant or an international applicant. But as a Ghanaian, we are going to choose the Ghanaian applicant and continue. By international applicant, we will continue from there. While we go in, we can verify our voucher or we purchase. Here we are purchasing to do a new application, so we continue from there, purchase voucher online. As an undergraduate, you choose that to continue, or if a postgraduate or a diploma, you choose that. A regular student, you have to choose the regular stream, or if you want to do distance learning, you choose that to continue. So we choose the regular student, and then from this place, we select the group from which we are applying, and then you see the price for the application form attached to it. We select that, then we continue. We have a list of all the programs available under that group. You can proceed to check all of them before you continue, or we can continue right from there. When we continue, we can confirm all our details. If our details are correct, then we proceed. Once we proceed, we are going to have an interface where we put in our Momo number and then we select the network provider. So you type in your Momo number where you are going to be debited that amount to buy the forms. Then we can then confirm. While you confirm, you are going to receive a notification on your phone for you to put in your PIN so that it will be deducted. Once it's done, you will then see your application form purchased with your application ID attached with. Then you can proceed to continue with filling of your forms for your KNUST application. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Thank you.